Hi folks, Will at LR Workshop. This is a well-known and documented mod, but I just wanted to make a video and give it some love because it's effortless, cheap, and makes a real difference, or at least I think so, by changing this relay, shown here on a 300 TDI, and then swap it in for this relay, known as the 99 relay. I don't really know why. Maybe they used to make it in the same factory as Cadbury's Flakes or something like that. For a TD5 and the rest of the world spec 300 TDI, the relay is behind the Speedo, and for a Puma, it's under the steering column. Don't ask me what kind of witchcraft goes on inside, but as long as your Defender doesn't weigh the same as a duck, I think you'll be okay. And voila! Intermittent wipers. Driving along the motorway in the UK in that kind of rain where it really can't make up its mind what it wants to do. So to turn it on, put it down to the intermittent wiper, and then turn it off again. It'll do an extra wipe sometimes, and then wait for when you want it to come back on. I wait just about until the rain's just getting a bit too hard to see, and then I turn it on again. And that is now set the delay between the intermittent wipers. You see it's then come on again right there. And then when the rain gets a bit heavier, you turn it off, wait just until before you want it to wipe, and then turn it on again. And that is now the new delay timer for the wipers. In these kind of conditions, I think it works really, really well. And then if the rain gets heavier still, you've still got the continuous wipers as per normal and get the clunkiness of the wipers in all their glory. Give us a thumbs up if you have this mod. Leave a comment if you have any more tips. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.